After years of life on the move, from tiny houses to Airstreams to camper vans, Sarah found a peaceful retreat in this enchanting tiny home tucked away in the lush forests of Washington state. For 4 memorable months, this charming space offered her a cozy, serene sanctuary, perfect for slowing down and savoring the quieter moments of life. Set in the heart of the woods, the tiny house is surrounded by nature's tranquility, complete with a private yard and a spacious front porch ideal for morning coffee or sunset yoga sessions. Its striking exterior features unique roof angles and an abundance of windows, flooding the home with natural light. The setup includes essential utilities like a mini split system for heating and cooling, a propane tank for the stove, and a thoughtful gray water system. The bay window nook on the front side adds to its inviting charm. Stepping inside, the home radiates warmth with its rich cedar walls, African mahogany accents, and clever use of reclaimed skateboard wood for cabinetry, a personal touch from the landlord's custom skateboard background. The living room boasts a large, cozy seating area with built-in storage, a fold-down desk, and a massive TV setup, creating a perfect blend of function and comfort. The kitchen, while compact, is highly efficient with a 2-burner propane stove, microwave, convection oven, and ample storage cleverly integrated into every corner. A single sink serves the entire home, keeping the layout simple and purposeful. Moving through the space, you'll find smart design choices like cabinets built into the staircase leading up to the loft bedroom. The loft itself is airy and thoughtfully constructed so that even taller occupants can comfortably stand when getting in and out of bed, a rare luxury in tiny house living. Fairy lights overhead add a magical glow to the space. The bathroom is cozy and rustic, separated by a curtain rather than a door, and features a plumbed toilet and custom-built storage with a unique illuminated jewelry case. Though there's no separate bathroom sink, the main kitchen sink conveniently doubles for all personal needs. Every corner of this tiny house carries a story, from Sedona souvenirs to handcrafted woodwork, making it more than just a place to live in Simmasim, it's a place to feel at home. Listed on Furnished Finder, it's an incredible opportunity for anyone seeking a soulful, nature-immersed, tiny living experience. Sarah's journey through tiny living continues as she embraces new adventures, but this beautiful woodland retreat remains a testament to the cozy magic that tiny homes can offer.